What is up? Ooh, look at that. Don't look at that. It's hot. It's hot, people. It's hot. It's humid out here. We got a little bit of rain last night. Just enough to make it humid as hell today. But welcome to the Sweet Outdoors. Quick back porch edition. Got a lot of projects around the house that I've been working on. Got my bird feeders and squirrel feeders put up. We're going to try, one of these days, we're going to pull out the Crosman Glock, not the Crosman. I don't forgot the name of it, but it's the Glock, was it the Glock 19 or Glock 18 BB pistol? Shoot one of these squirrels. We'll do a, catch, clean, and cook video. Well, that'd be a hell of a mess kit Monday right there, guys. But we're going to try. Anyway, today's video is fire kit. You need a fire kit. A knife, a striker, a piece of fat wood. You're good. All right. Have a good day. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. We're going to do an actual fire kit build. I put one together, and we're going to go through it, show you what all is in it, give you some ideas what to put in yours, like I've told you a billion times. Make your kit your own, what's good for you. Okay, first things first is finding the right container for your fire kit. Right off the bat, you want it to be waterproof. That's pretty much a no-brainer. The outside kit of mine, of this one that I just put together, is not waterproof, but this is just the outside kit. That way I can strap this to my bag, to my belt, whatever. Or I can take my kit out of there and carry it in here. That's right, it's a Costa sunglass case. I've got about 10 of these dang things, and these work great to put your fire kit in. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to angle the camera down on the table so you won't see my pretty face, but you'll see what I'm pulling out of the kit. Give me a second. Okay, here we go. Ta-ta! A Bic lighter. Quick and easy. That's it. That's all you need, right? No. These things, if they get wet, if they run out of fuel, they stop working. They will still throw a spark, even if they don't have fuel to help you light. So never throw your lighter away. Never throw your lighter away. Okay. I did a review on this guy. It's they called it a 4-in-1 because you got a striker and you got a ferro rod, you got a compass, and you got a whistle. But okay, so we got a ferro rod. Try to give myself some room here. Okay. Boom. Waterproof, stormproof matches. These bad boys are fierce. They burn for a good long time. Got a striker on the side. Comes with an extra striker in the case. And a little bit of cotton tinder in the lid. Throw you a couple of cotton balls, like when you get some ibuprofen and stuff. It's got a big old wad of cotton. You can put that in there, or cotton balls. Whatever you choose. Like I said, make it your own. You seen me make these. Hopefully you did. If not, go back and watch the video. This is a 100% cotton makeup pad, remover pad that I soaked in wax. And you just tear it apart, fluff up the fibers, and this thing will burn for about 6 minutes right here. And it's citronella wax, so it'll also help with mosquitoes. You can just like tear a little piece up and fold it up, light it with your lighter, and just let it burn slowly, and it'll help with mosquitoes as well. So we got that. And then this nice little pack right here, this little waterproof, little Ziploc bag. We got some pieces of fat wood in there. We got a nice dry paper towel. And we got some Tenderfire, or whatever it's called, Tenderfire paracord. This paracord will burn. It's also fire tender. There it is, guys. A nice little convenient kit. You can carry it, like I said, whatever container that you want to carry it in. It's up to you. This is the one that I found that I could find laying around the house. It is waterproof. So, and it's discreet. I mean, if you drop that, people are going to pick it up, that's for sure, because they just think they got them set of Costa sunglasses. Boy, they going to be wrong. But you could just stick this in one of the pockets on your bag, or you can stick it in here and hook it on your belt. It's your choice. You can make that kit even smaller, put it in an Altoids can, put it, whatever. You can just wrap all that stuff up in a Ziploc bag and put it in your bag. Whatever you want, but you need a good fire kit. You don't know how important it is and how bad you're going to need it until you do. So it's rather to have it and not need it. It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. And fire is one of the most important things when it comes to survival, or just when you're out camping. You want a good fire. I mean, what better thing to do? Sit around a campfire, a couple of your buddies, a good nice, smooth glass of whiskey or beer, whatever you choose, or water, whatever your choice, and just relax. But you got to be able to build that fire to do that. And, some people are like, I carry a lighter. Like I said, they fail. Have you a good kit. If you're into backpacking, if you're into camping and stuff like that. I mean, I tent camp. And I also camp in a camper. I have an RV that has gas stove with the auto igniter and all that stuff. But believe it or not, in my camper, I have a fire kit. I have some of those waxed makeup remover pads. I have a ferro rod, and I have a lighter in my camper, and I keep them in there. I even have the little things that you can buy in Walmart. The little they look like a little brick wrapped in cellophane plastic. You light the plastic and it's a fire starter. I keep them in my camper too, because sometimes I take my camper to a place where they have fire rings outside and I want to start a fire. Can't do that with my gas stove. Can't start the fire outside with my gas stove. So I do have some backup kits in my camper as well as in my truck. I keep a fire kit in my truck, and as you should too. I hope you enjoyed this. Do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, most important. Give me that thumbs up, hit the notification, that way you're notified. Hopefully you're notified when I post a new video. Go ahead and download this and share it with some of your friends and your family. Go ahead and look us up on Facebook, The Sweet Outdoors. And oh my goodness, it is. I was gonna lift my arms up and show you how much more I'm sitting just sweating here, but I ain't gonna gross you out like that. But yeah, it's hot out here, people. I tried to get outside and do some stuff today, but then remembered my honeydew list that I made for myself. Got a bunch of weeds and stuff growing up in the backyard. Had to spray them with some killer and stuff, trying to get my backyard where I can use it some more now. All the rain we got last year, and it's getting thick back here. And I'm actually wanting to build. I got a section in my backyard that's in the back corner of my property, to where I'm considering building me like a bushcraft fire pit with the wood back, and so I can go and do some demonstrations and stuff out there for you guys. So bear with me on that one. I'm gonna try to get that done. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. Like I said, it's hot. Trying to bring y'all something, trying to catch up from my granddaughters were here. Be safe. God bless. Get outside, people.